Myself Rajalakshmi S. Rai from Vidyarashtra First Grade College, Savanur. Now I am taking Financial Accounting 5 of final year BCom under that valuation of shares. So this is the problem. Read the problem. Sunrise Limited has 50,000 8% preferred shares of rupees 10 each and 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. See, in this problem, preferred shares, equity share is also given and rupees 8 paid up. The company transferred 10% of dividend profit to general reserve. So, as it is, 10% is general reserve every year. The profit before tax is 1 lakh. So the profit is given, it is 1 lakh, and the rate of tax is also given, it is 40%. Here reserve is given as well as tax is given and also the preferred share is given. The normal rate of return is 12%. Normal rate of return is 12%. Find out the value of equity shares by yield method. So we have to follow the yield method because average profit is given. Then in this case, how we can calculate the value of shares under yield method? First we have to take into consideration as it is average profit. So average profit it is given 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Then tax is given. So first we have to deduct the tax. So tax is given 40%. So we have to deduct 40% tax on this 1 lakh. See here, first we have to deduct the tax. Then afterwards we have to deduct the general reserve. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಚೆ ಆಗಿ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಂದಲೇ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಾಂಗ್. ಸೊ 1 lakh under out of 1 lakh 40%, that means 40,000. We have to deduct 40,000, we get 60,000. Then we have to deduct the transfer to reserve. So transfer to reserve, it is given in the problem, it is 10% transfer to reserve. 10% on this amount, that is 60,000. 10% on 60,000, this is 6,000. We get 54,000. Remember that if the preferred shares is given, then we have to deduct the dividends on preferred shares. So if the preferred shares is given, that is why I selected this problem. If the preferred shares is given, we have to deduct. After deducting tax and the reserve, we have to deduct once again the dividend payable on preferred shares. So from this amount, we have to deduct preferential dividends. Then how to calculate the dividend on preferred shares? 50,000 preferred shares of rupees 10 each. That means 5 lakh. 50,000 into 10 rupees means 5 lakh. Into it is given 8%. So dividend is 8%. So 8% preferred shares ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 8% dividend ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. So number of shares is 50,000. Face value is 10 rupees. So 50,000 into 10 into 8% is the dividend. So we get 40,000. 40,000. So we get 14,000. This is the, once again, profit available to shareholders. This is the profit available to shareholders. This is profit available to shareholders. So from the average profit, we have to first deduct tax, then deduct reserve, then deduct dividends, not preferred shares, dividends on preferred shares. Then we get profit available to shareholders. Then we can find out the value of, second step we have to find out the value of ERR, that is expected rate of return. So expected rate of return is equal to profit available to shareholders, divided by paid up, total paid up capital into 100. shareholders is 14,000. 14,000. Paid up capital is, so it is given, it is 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, rupees 8 paid up. So rupees 8 paid up. So ಎಷ್ಟು paid up ಆಗಿದೆ? 8 rupees paid up ಆಗಿದೆ. So the amount is 5 lakh into 50 into 100 is equal to, how much it is? 2.8%. 2.8%. 3, 2, 2. It is not 2.8. It is 28%. So 28%. So profit available to shareholder divided by paid up capital. Paid up capital is 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each. So 5 lakh. So we get 28%. Then yield value is equal to, then we have to calculate the yield value. So yield value is equal to ERR divided by NRR into 100. So ERR we already calculated, it is 28. NRR, normal rate of return, is given here, it is 12 into not 100, it is paid up value of each share. Paid up value of each share. So paid up value of each share is here, the paid up value of each share is rupees 8 paid up. 8 rupees paid up. So it comes around 2.3. Market of value of each equity share is 2.23.33. So paid up value of share is 23.33. So this is the problem. Over. So we can see the next problem. Continue with the next problem. Problem is like this only. Iದೇ type ಇನ್ನೊಂದು problem ನೋಡುವ. So it is given, Apurva Limited has 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. Same equity shares, 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each, and 40,000 7% preference shares of rupees 10 each. Preference shares 10 each. The company transfers 10% of divisible profit to general reserve. So 10% to general reserve. Transfer 10% to general reserve. The expected profit before the tax is 10 lakh. So profit is given 10 lakh. Profit is 10 lakh. Then, and the rate of tax is 65%. So rate of tax is 65%. Normal rate of return, that is NRR, is 16%. So same type of problem, we can easily calculate it. First we have to take into consideration average profit. It is given average profit is 10 lakh. Other ಹಾಗೆ same problem. So average profit ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 10 lakh. From this we have to deduct first the tax. So tax is given 65%. So 10 lakh 65% means 6,50,000. Deduct it. Then we get 3,50,000. 3,50,000. Next we have to deduct the general reserve. Here it is given general reserve is, transfer is 10%. So 10% on this amount, 3,50,000. So it is 35,000. Deduct it, we get 3,15,000. 3,15,000. From this we have to deduct once again, important is preference dividend. Preference dividend. Then how to calculate the preference dividend? 40,000 7% dividends of preference shares of rupees 10 each. So 40,000 into face value is 10 into 7%. So we get 28,000. 28,000. So if we deduct it, we get 2,87,000. 2,87,000. Then we have to calculate the ERR. Next we have to calculate the ERR. Once again, ERR is profit available to shareholders. ERR is equal to profit available to shareholders. That is 2,87,000 divide by number of equity shares. Total paid up capital. It is 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each. So that is 5 lakh. 5 lakh into 100. Into 100. So we get 57.4%. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ profit available to shareholders divided by number of equity shares capital, that is 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each, 5 lakh into 100. Then now we have to find out the yield value. So how we can find out the yield value? Yield value is equal to ERR, that is 57.4 divided by NRR. It is given NRR is 16 into paid up value of each share. Paid up value of each share is 10 rupees is equal to 35.8%. So this is the yield value of the shares. With this we can end the problem. Problem is over. Thank you.